Hey there everyone, it's me, John. Here is a reshoot of part 1 for the Hoover how-to videos. I didn't get to upload the first one the first time because it was just too long, and apparently they won't let you load up anything over 10 minutes. So, here we go. Here's the Hoover 1 tunnel self-propelled vacuum cleaner. One of the main problems with these machines is, well, it's not a problem with the machine, it's a problem with the owners. You. Okay, you see this here? Here's the self-propel handle. What you guys have a habit of doing is picking it up by that machine. Bad idea, and I'm going to show you why. Now, I already showed you how I tore it apart once, so here's just a quick view of it. I'm going to tear it apart again. I've already taken off most of the stuff needed, so I just need to remove this. I've already removed the screws, and in the process I'm going to show you as well how to remove your brush bar. There's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it just removes that. Lift out, and that's how you remove your beater bar. Assembled in Mexico. Okay, now to change your belts, you'll have to remove this top, which I'm going to do right now. It requires a very long screwdriver. Short ones will work fine, but I like to do things overboard, beyond what they're called for. Here's a vanity plate, get rid of it. Okay, here's a close-up shot. I don't know if you can see that or not. There it is. Well, it's tucked in there, but... oh, let me grab a flashlight. Okay, I'm back. I got a flashlight. Okay, now, for your self-propel mechanism, I don't know if I can hold this and show you at the same time. There we go. It's this right here. I've got it held in place with a zip tie. But, traditionally, what happens is when you pick this machine up, it's trying to actuate that bar. Can you see it move? Alright, so there you have it. Now, when you pick that vacuum up by that handle, what it does is it puts strain on it and it breaks. Also, you can tell there's a little C-clip right there on top of that, and the little metal bar will just lift up, undo the screw that's on the end of that, and it will come right off. Take that piece to your Hoover dealer and get a new one. And that's how you fix that problem. Okay, I'm going to show you another thing. When it comes to these machines, it's a fairly easy fix. Okay, now when you're vacuuming, most of the time you have a clog. It's either going to be in this tube here coming from the machine, from the rug agitator, and it usually happens, come on cord, get out of the way, right about there. That's where your plug usually happens, here in this U-bend. I already showed you how to remove that plate. Well, I showed you how to install it, but it just takes a bunch of Torx head screws. The plug usually happens about right here, so just get you a pencil or a coat hanger and shove it down inside of there, and you can clear it out. Alright, here's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching.